Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Zulu Mama and I help you learn isiZulu and its traditions. So today we are learning the names of animals in isiZulu. So get ready to meet pets, farm animals, and wildlife animals. I will give you animal names in English and isiZulu, as well as the pictures and examples in a sentence. I will start with pets. A dog is inja. Inja. A cat is ikati. Ikati. And a rabbit is unogwaja. Unogwaja. Here I have a picture of a dog labeled as A. B is a cat. C is a rabbit. And I would love for you to tell me their names in isiZulu. Now here is an example in a sentence. I will use inja. Ngiyayithanda inja yami. I love my dog. Ngiyayithanda inja yami. And at the bottom we have answers. A is inja, B ikati, C unogwaja. Now let's come to farm animals. Cow is inkomo. Inkomo. Sheep is imvu. Imvu. And some people call it isikrabo. Pig is ingulube. Ingulube. A chicken is inkukhu. Inkukhu. And lastly, a horse. Ihashi. Ihashi. Now comes a challenge. On A, we have a cow, B, a sheep, C, pig, D, a chicken, and E, we have a horse. Please try and name them in isiZulu. Our sentence example is about a cow. Inkomo isinika ubisi. Inkomo isinika ubisi. And that means the cow gives us milk. And here are the answers from the challenge. A. Inkomo. B. Imvu. C. Ingulube. D. Inkukhu. E. Ihashi. Lastly, we have some wildlife animals. A giraffe is indlulamthi. Indlulamthi. A zebra is idube. Idube. A hippo is imvubu. 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 And a crocodile is ingwenya. 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 Now we have a challenge. On A, we have a giraffe, B, zebra, C, hippo, and D, we have a crocodile. And our example is idube, which is zebra. Idube lidla utshani entsimini. Idube lidla utshani entsimini. and that is the zebra is eating grass in the field. And of course, we have our answers. A is indlulamiti, B idube, C imvubu, and D is ingwenya. And I have another challenge for those who want to challenge themselves even more. I've given you a list of the animal names so you can read the word in English, say it in Zulu out loud, and then try and write the Zulu word down. Now you can pause the video here and challenge yourself. Good luck. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zulu language lessons and culture. Great job for making it to the end of this video. Today we learned the names of pets, farm animals, and wild animals in isiZulu. Please let me know in the comments which of them do you like the most. Isiphi isilwane osithandayo? And also let me know which one was the easiest to master and which one you found it hard to master. Thank you. Ngiyabonga.